I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote.
Okay, so moving on into the next project, I have made the algae water, or the substance that we're going to be using to make our ouzos, in advance, since it takes up to 1 hour to let it sit and thicken. So first off, reading the instructions, it says you can separate it into 4 different ones to make 4 different colors, but I'm only going to make 2 different colors. So they give us these little paint pots to use, and I'm going to pick purple and pink. So they only give you so much paint, so when we are moving on to the slime one, for that one, I probably couldn't use that color since I'm going to have to use it all for this one project. And in the instructions, it says if this substance is too thick, you can add some water. So there is one color. I'm sticking it. Oh, dang it. I'm just going to use a popsicle stick to get this first one out. I still have some left over in the bowl, meaning I could split it up into another one if I wanted, but I'm not gonna. Let's open up my pink. And the colors actually seem to be pretty vibrant. So there's our 2 colors. So I'm going to do 1 color each, and then I'm going to try mixing to see how that turns out. So we need to move our popsicle stick out. And we're going to pour some of it into our little... Now we're supposed to dunk it in our solution of... Oh wait, I forgot to make the solution. Okay, now that I'm back that I've actually made the solution, we can continue on with the project. So I'm going to do this over the bowl just in case any decides to spill out. I don't know how much to fill it to because the paper does not specify. So now we're supposed to just let it sit under here until it looks like it's ready to fall out. And there. So I'm not going to lift the bowl because that's going to make it fall. But let's use the rest of our solution to make another one. Actually, I'm going to do a pink one this time. Because the pink one's a little more thick because I didn't add as much water. Ooh. They both seem to work the exact same. One just feels heavier. Now I'm going to mix the 2 to make a mixed one. And there. So I can definitely make a few more, like a lot more. So, reading the instructions, you need to let these sit for a few minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. I've been letting them soak off camera. I've made a few more off camera using the last of the solution. And now we're going to see how they turned out. Just by doing exactly what they do on the box. That just burst open. So it's still just more of the solution inside, and for letting it sit for 15 minutes, the inside has gotten a lot more thick. So here's the one that I did combining two of the colors. So I got a matte now. Ooh, that looked cool. I combined the colors. So it kind of feels almost like a rubber ball, almost. Like the insides of a rubber ball. That's not how that was supposed to happen. At least then got in the instructions. So they just kind of burst open. And I have some leftover solution to try out and make a clear version of them. Hey, it still kind of looks like an alien. And the last one for the pink and purple. And now I am going to... Alright, so if you'd like to see how the clear ones turned out, you can head over to my Patreon, which there will be a link in the description. Let's head on over to the next experiment.